If dimensions of a critical velocity, that is Vc, of a liquid flowing through a tube are expressed as eta to the power of x, rho to the power of y, r to the power of z, where eta, rho and r are the coefficient of viscosity of liquid, density of liquid and radius of the tube respectively. Then the value of x, y and z are given by. Okay. Now we can solve this one with the help of the dimensional method. That is Vc is equal to eta to the power of x, rho to the power of y and r to the power of z. Then by applying the fundamental dimension, that is mass, length and time, the values, velocity is meters per second, that is m to the power of 0, L to the power of 1 and T to the power of minus 1. Similarly, the viscosity of the liquid, we can write in terms of dimensional, that is a mass, length and time, that is m into L to the power of minus 1, T to the power of minus 1 to the power of x, and rho is kg per meter cube, L into m into L to the power of minus 3 into T to the power of 0 to the power of y into, and radius, that is only the dimension, that is L. Then m to the power of 0, L to the power of 1 and T to the power of 0 to the power of z. Then equating powers on both the sides. First one, if I am going to equate, that is x plus y is equal to 0, then I am getting the answer, that is minus x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 we are getting here. Then 1 plus y is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. And minus x minus 3y plus z is equal to 1. Then minus 1 minus 3 times of minus 1 plus z is equal to 1. Then minus 1 plus 3 plus z is equal to 1. Then z is equal to minus 1 here. The value of the x, y and z are, that is 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. This we can see in the option B. Option B is the right answer here.